hopefully you can hear me over this wind. We got the little squirrel thing on the microphone, so I guess we'll see if that works. But we're finally done with this project. Been fighting red flag warnings and rain, believe it or not, like 2 days apart from each other for the last, I don't know, 2-3 weeks. So finally it was dry enough and not windy enough and wet enough, if that makes sense, to make it out here. So I literally had a day to finish up and we're there. Let's check this out. So along this end here, the landowner had some panels already built, so we just attached those. Not the best looking, but functional. And then everything else is continuous. So hopefully you can see that. There's 2 holding pens here that feed into this alleyway here, and then runs all the way up to that end, and there's a gate in. This is what we ended up doing for latches. It's just a drop rod out of sucker rod, and they just go, I don't know if you can see that, they just go just like that. So we put stops on them, so when you're horseback you don't just fling them and they come all the way up. There's a couple gates that are double acting, I suppose. So this one here, it swings open and also latches there to close this alleyway off to feed into this pen here. So hopefully that all makes sense. Those, I just bent those out of some 1/2-inch rod, I think, maybe 7/16. Yeah, so that's the whole project. Like I said, we ended up with the 2 holding pens over here, 10-foot alleyway leading down there. So that farther pen is slightly larger, and then 10-foot alleyway here runs all the way down. He's gonna get the roping equipment, the chutes and all that, and we'll get those put in when he gets those picked up. But I guess that's not happening in the next month or so. So that's it. I don't know if I ever talked about it. These uprights and the posts are all 2 3/8. Top rail and the gates are 2 1/16. This is all used casing pipe. Continuous panels were all brand new. I did a video earlier on that, how some of them suck and some of them are great. Let's see. I think that's about it. I'm happy to be done. So he's gonna start working this arena. He's got, let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 horses. If you can see him way out there in the background, I don't know if he rides them all or what. And then I guess he's got like a handful of steers. Not sure, they ain't out here, but yeah. So that's the project done. On to the next one.